PeopleCert SCRUM Developer Module 3, Architecture and Design. So in this section, in this module, we will discuss about the fundamentals of Agile architecture. So architecture and design, fundamentals of Agile architecture. Emergent architecture. So in Scrum, specifically in Scrum, if you say there are two elements of architecture which we should think of. First being the intentional architecture, which is the kind of desired target state which the architect or the solution architect plan to achieve. Also, he need to have a view of the current belief of where the future will hold across. So that's the intentional architecture, all about the solution designers should refer to what and how they want to reach the desired state. In addition to that, there is an emergent design which is there. So emergent design is referring to designing just enough initially and designing the increment as it evolves during the iterations. So as the iterations follow, as the sprint progresses in different iteration, if there is a design practices, if there is a changes in the design which is supposed to be incorporated, try to come up with those designs at that point in time and do the emerging design. So these are the two aspects, intentional architecture and the emergent design. So it results into the concept called emergent architecture, so which refers to just enough of the architecturing work and just doing it in time. So ensuring that we carry out the solutioning of our product just enough and just in time so that it meets the needs of intentional architecture and the needs of the emergent design as well. We need to have, we need to, so as we talk and discuss, the requirements in Scrum keeps on emerging, so we should be embracive of approaching or addressing those through the likes of emergent architecture. So as the design changes, our architecture should be able to accustom to those changes. So the objective is to design these architecture in response to those requirements with the highest value. So these requirements, as we call, can be emerging, needs to change, or can keeps on changing based on discussion with the customer. So emergent architecture is the best way forward in the Scrum following the Agile practices. So group discussion. So technical excellence. So let's discuss. So one of the Agile Manifesto principles states continuous attention to the technical excellence and good design enhances agility. So how would you define the technical excellence? So technical excellence is the element where we ensure that as a part of designing, we do the designing for the elements which we know. So we should be open to have a continuous thought of bringing the excellence in what we design from the perspective of technical aspects. So the element of continuous attention is an important element whenever we are bringing any kind of designing in terms of the technicalities of the product and functionality. Also, as we say, there needs to be um, uh, uh, elements of good designing when you are bringing those technical excellence. So technical excellence not only includes the elements of technical, but then it also refers to the continuous improvement and attention in the way in which we manage those overall relationship.